E.
Hello, this is Miles from QGM company, and today I would like to introduce you the QT6 block making machine. But first, I would like to introduce the production line of the simple production line we can provide for you. Because some friends in Bangladesh are asking me for limited budget project. And now you can take a view in this production line. And I would like to introduce a simple production line for you. For a limited budget production line, we don't need a batcher, and we can use cement in bags, and we can put a cement into the lifting buckets by our workers. And usually you need 2 workers to put the raw material in this lifting bucket. One is the cement, and another one is for the stone, like rainstone or mountain flower. And after the 2 workers put the raw material in the lifting bucket, and it will be transported into the mixer. And in our company, we have 2 types of mixer for you. One is the planetary mixer, and the other one is the twin shaft mixer. And for limited budget, we would like to recommend the twin shaft mixer, which has a shorter cycle time, and for your project, 500 liters capacity will meet your demands. And after the raw material being properly mixed in the mixer, and it will be transferred into the main machine by the belt conveyor. And the belt conveyor is reliable, and in our products we have closer spinning rolls in the belt conveyor, and it's stable for the production. And for the belt, we have 5 layers of rubber and have steel strings inside to protect it. And when the raw material comes into the main machine, we would need a device for the base material to start a vibration and start a formation. And after the concrete product is being made, and it will be transferred by the conveyor. And after this point, this production line is finished for the whole project, and you can leave the finished product by workers and lift it to the ground and wait for it to curing. And now I would like to take you to the QT6 main machine. Now follow me. And this is our factory in Shenzhen, and you can see this is our stock for the components. And these components are registered in our computer, which, because we work for a big company, and we need a better way to manage all the components, and we want to make sure there is no faults, no errors, or any mistake during the production. And for this part, this is our production area. As you can see, there are frames of our QT machines, or their machines in this company, and they are waiting to be assembled to a finished machine. that is frame portal for the curing system. And if you have a higher demand for the production line, you can choose this system to save you a lot of time and workforce. And over there is the EVC panel. And in our company, there will also be wooden pallets and GMT pallets. The GMT pallet will be available soon. That one is a finger car for the curing room. A finger car, the finger car you can carry multi-layers of concrete products, and it can save you a lot of time and money on the curing process. And now this is our QT6 block. You can take a view of this QT6 block. Now this machine has a back device on it. And I would like to introduce this control table first. And for our control system, you can see there are buttons on this control table, and 2 languages or 3 languages if you like. And we also have this Siemens touch screen, and it's reliable. It can save many recipes inside these small computers. And most of our components are from Siemens, because Siemens is reliable and it has a low failure rate. And we also have a PLC program system. It can help to detect the potential error during the production. If your workers or the operators operated in a wrong way, the PLC will force the machine to stop and protect the machine from any potential failure. Because this one is sealed and wrapped up, so I cannot show you this one. Now I would like to introduce the hydraulic station. This hydraulic station, it has 2 oil pumps inside to reduce the cycle time. It also has a mechanical design to protect it from inertia, because sometimes the inertia, it could be too much pressure for the machine, and it could cause some damage to the machine. We have a mechanical design to prevent this problem from happening. And the oil pump here, we adopt the flange interface to reduce the potential oil leakage. And this is from scenery. And for our main machine here, you can see we adopt a compulsory feeding system. We have 1 motor to drive the 4 mixing shaft. The feeding car is driven by the hydraulic system to move forward and backward. And for this discharging gate, we have pneumatical control to help it to achieve a very precise movement during the production. Because we want to make sure the raw material is properly mixed. And for our motors over there, we have 2 motors to drive the vibration table. The vibration table is variable frequency motor, motor. We have 2 motors here. These 2 motors are also from Siemens because why we choose Siemens variable frequency motors, because it can reach some functions, such as when you need to start the production, it can work in a high frequency, and when you start the production, and it could stand by in a very low capacity, and it can protect the whole network of electricity from overheating. It has a low demand for the electricity. And for our vibration table, it's one whole piece casted metal, and we use hard rock steel, and it has been heat treated, and it can reach about 52 Rockwell hardness, and it's a very high standard for this industry. And for the frame, the main frame of this QT6 is being heat treated too, and we have this for the raw material. For the frame, we use Q2358 steel, and the thickness is about 1 centimeter. So this machine is very reliable and has a very low failure rate, and is economic and suits for your production. And that's all. Thank you. If any questions, bye.